Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore 10 things that are not allowed in JavaScript strict mode. Understanding these restrictions can help you write cleaner and more error-resistant code. Starting with the first one, undeclared variable is not allowed. In a strict mode, when you try to assign a value to a variable that has not been declared with var, let, or const, JavaScript throws a reference error. This behavior helps prevent accidental creation of global variables and encourages explicit variable declaration, which can improve code clarity and maintainability. The second one, undeclared objects are not allowed. Similar to undeclared variables, trying to assign a value to undeclared object without using var, let, or const will result in a reference error. This behavior helps enforce the practice of explicitly declaring variables, reducing the risk of typos or unintended variable creations. The third one, deleting an object is not allowed. In a strict mode, attempting to delete an object reference using the delete operator will throw a syntax error. This restriction helps prevent unintended deletion of properties and encourages more careful management of object references. The fourth one, duplicating a parameter name is not allowed. Defining a function with duplicate parameter names will result in a syntax error in a strict mode. This restriction encourages developers to use unique parameter names, which can improve code readability and prevent potential bugs caused by parameter name conflicts. The fifth one, in JavaScript strict mode, when you use object.defineProperty function to define a property on an object without specifying the writable attribute or explicitly setting it to false, the property becomes non-writable by default. This means that once a value is assigned to the property, it cannot be changed or reassigned. This behavior is important for maintaining the integrity of objects, especially when certain properties should remain constant throughout the life cycle of an object. It helps prevent accidental modifications to critical data and ensures that the object's state remains consistent, reducing the risk of bugs and unexpected behavior in your code. The sixth one, assigning to a getter only property is not allowed. If you try to assign a value to a property that has a getter but no setter method, JavaScript throws a type error in strict mode. This behavior ensures that properties with getters behave as intended, allowing only read access and preventing unintended modifications. The seventh one, assigning to a new property on a non-extensible object is not allowed. When you try to add a new property to an object that has been made non-extensible using object.preventExtensions method, JavaScript throws a type error in strict mode. This behavior helps enforce the immutability of non-extensible objects, preventing unintended modifications to their structure. The eighth one, octal syntax is not allowed. In strict mode, using octal literals, numbers starting with a leading 0 will result in a syntax error. This restriction helps prevent confusion and potential bugs, as octal literals can be misrepresented in certain contexts. The ninth one, the variable names, arguments, and eval are not allowed. In JavaScript strict mode, arguments and eval are special keyword with predefined meanings. Arguments refer to arguments passed to a function, while eval is used to evaluate JavaScript expressions. In strict mode, using these names as variable identifiers will throw a syntax error. The 10th and the last one. In JavaScript strict mode, there are several reserved keywords that have special meanings and cannot be used as identifiers. Attempting to use these keywords as identifiers will result in a syntax error. Here are some of them, such as implements, interface, let, package, private, protected, public, static, yield. Hope you enjoyed these. See you in the next one.